what's good, guys? Finally getting some side skirts for the for my EK. I've been rocking no side skirts for like months now, so today I'm gonna be meeting up with a local seller that's selling the 3-inch PSI side skirts. So I can't wait to go pick that up for the car. So as you guys can see here, I'm not running any side skirts at all, so it looks a little naked. So definitely when I install the PCI side skirts, it's definitely gonna bring out the car more. So, yo, what's good, guys? I finally got the PSI side skirt. I'm gonna show you guys right now. So you can see, I have one here. And I also have one that's already installed on the car. So I went to install the first one because I needed to make sure how to do it correctly. So I started off doing this one, and it actually came out perfect doing it for my first time, so not too bad. Looks pretty good. But yeah, so I started off doing that side just to make sure, you know, I did it correctly before, you know, doing a step-by-step install, showing you guys how to do it on the other side. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to do that side. I'm gonna get my GoPro out, so I'm gonna have to strap it on my head so I could just show you guys how I do it. So mind you, this is a DIY. If you follow my steps and then you end up messing up, don't blame me. It's a DIY, so do at your own risk. All right, let's get started. All right. So let me show you guys all the brackets. Oh, so you got 3 brackets here. Yes. And then you're gonna use these black pieces that goes into the threaded hole for this. So I'll show you guys how to do that. So you want to take this. So since this is gonna be on the outside where you're gonna see it from outside of the car, so you're gonna have to turn it around. So this is the back side. So you take these brackets and pretty much, if I'm looking at this correctly, you're gonna have to have the bracket sit like this. So the bracket's gonna sit like this for all of the holes. One here, one there, and one right here. So this is gonna sit like this. Let me see, make have correct. Yep, so they sit like this. So now I'm gonna take the screw out of this. And the size of this Allen head is a 4mm. So you put this here, and then you put this on the other side. Just screw it right in. Leave it loose for now until I put all of them in. The last one. There you go. Alright, so I got it in. Now, I'm gonna go grab my ratchet, which should be under my seat. Alright, word. So you want to have it up like this for all of them. So I'm gonna tighten up this one. I just tighten it where I can still be able to move it. So just in case if I have to like adjust it or whatever, if I need to, but Oh shit, this excuse me. Alright, make this straight as possible. I want to make this straight as possible because when I go to mount it onto the car, I want it to be flush. So let me just flush. All right, cool. Now, since it's I made it as straight as I possibly can, so what you're gonna do is, I saw this on a YouTube video where this guy used toothpaste to use it for marking. So, but I don't have toothpaste. You could use whatever. Let me see. So, what you want to do is, I would put gasket maker like right here. 1, 2, and I do the same thing for all of them. Here and here. These are identification marks, so that way we know or have a better way to like drill into the to the car. So I'll show you guys. So just hit a little bit of a gasket maker here. Boom. Right there. Right there. Do it for all of them. So here. There. Right, so, and then 2 more here. Should be good enough. There. So, let me put this down real quick. Okay. Turn that. Get these gasket maker off. All right, so now we're gonna get ready to mount it. So when you mount it, you want to mount it as flush as you can, so that way when you go to drill it, you don't mess up. So let me see. Oh, I gotta turn it on. Oops. Oh crap, hold up. Oh, it goes like this. Got upside down. God damn it. All right, so this is how it goes. So if you guys look at it, the bracket goes like this. And this is how it's gonna look on the car. So this end here, as you can see, is gonna be on the back. This one's gonna be on the front, so I'll show you guys. So it's gonna sit like this. It's gonna go on like that. So you wanna mount it as flush as you can. So, hold on a second. All right, so, let's see. Oh shit. Get these markings up there. There you go. Right here. So now I'm resting it on, because this is how it's gonna look. But I'm kind of pressing down on it so I can make sure I can get the gasket maker to mark on the car. So Perfect, I guess. But you guys can see the marking on them here, here. This one came out messed up, but that one came out like shit. But pretty much, yeah. So now you got those marks, and technically, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go underneath the car. You're gonna have to eye it. You're gonna have to guess it. So you're gonna have to drill underneath the car, not right where this is, but a little bit after it. And you do that for all of them. So, but this one got messed up a little bit. So I'm assuming that the mark is here and here. So I'm gonna just take this off. Or no, I'm gonna leave it on for now, and I'm gonna start drilling the holes. Let's put it here. Actually, I'm gonna take out one of the brackets because I'm gonna test it just to make sure I drilled it right. Clean this off. Alright, so I'm gonna bring this with me. Put that here. Got my drill gun. Alright, grab some light. Alright, so that way I can see what I'm doing. Oh, that's not magnetic. There you go. It's like coming clutch. All right, so right where the marking is, right? So there's one here, and I want to drill it like here, not right where the marking is, but like away from it a little bit. So when you're drilling it too, like if you look under the car, make sure you're drilling it into the center, not too far back, not too far here. Like try to get it as center as possible. Let me get my drill bit. All right, so like I said, you're gonna have to guess it. So since that marking is here, I'm gonna have to drill it here, so I have to look at it. So probably right there. Oh shit. Yes, you would want to put something up here. Fucking just smacked it. Alright, so there's that. Oh damn. I think I messed up this one. Too far back. Only because the bolt is not that big, so let me just make sure. Actually, let me drill my other hole first. Let me just drill like right there. Doesn't help with this jack stand in my way, but I'm trying to get it right. Trying to get That's not where it's gonna move. You know what? Hold up. I'm gonna just jack up the car because this jack stands in my way. Just move it for now. Alright, so all right. Let's see how it looks. Kind of messed up on that hole right there. See, that's what I was saying. You have to drill farther out this way. If I had it farther out this way, would have been better, but I think it'll still work. But let me get the bolt to make sure. If anything, I could open up that hole a little bit too. So, just take these, test it. Because he's gonna sit like this. Just make sure your bolts go through. See? I'm gonna have to open up this one a little bit. I messed up. I'm gonna open up this one a little bit so that way I can just be able to stick that bolt right through. It's only off by a little bit. I have to drill more. No. Under there. Oh shit. There you go. Just needed to open it up a little bit. Boom. Not just like shift it. Good. If you guys have like touch-up paint or something, I would definitely recommend using that. I don't have one, so I'm gonna just send it. I'll do it later on when I get the paint. I forgot to grab it today. Clean that up. So that one's done. Move on to the next one. You pretty much want to do the same thing. This time I'm gonna center it better. So like I said, drill it probably like possibly like right here or something. Same thing on the other side. So I'm gonna grab my light. So watch this. Yeah. Oh shit. Let me go back a little bit because I have to go here. That looks better. Perfect. All right, so, yeah, no, that's gonna look, yeah, hell yeah. You wanna drill another hole like right here. So, get in there, drill another one. Pie a little back. Make it. Check this out. Not bad. Yeah, that's perfect. So when you're gonna mount your bracket, it's perfect. Hell yeah. It sucks though that you kind of have to guess it, but at least with this mark, it gives you a better idea to where to drill it. So since I messed up on this mark, I'm gonna just follow this one, and then where this one lands, so I'm gonna do a little bit here, and then this one probably like right here. So, all right, last two holes I gotta drill. Look at this. Just a little bit, maybe right there. Yeah, that's fine. All right, time to drill the other one. Take that one. Should be right there. Oh man, I messed this one up too. Shit, the hole's too far back. But it's fine. You can just make it bigger. Messed up this one. It's fine. Drilled a little bit too close as well. But let's open it. Just gonna have to see how it looks when I put the bolts on them. That's good. If I had the holes a little bit farther apart, I would have had better adjustment, but let's see. This will do. As long as everything lines up, should be good. So, put that to the side. I'm gonna clean up all this. All right, guys, my GoPro died, but yeah. So these are the holes here. Hole in the middle, these two, and then these. So now I'm gonna grab all the hardware. Oh my God. All right, let's grab this. All right, so now I gotta take the bracket off for the rest of them. Then I'm gonna mount the bracket on. So let me clean these up and I'll show you guys. All right, so I'm gonna install the first one. So obviously, like I said, it's gonna sit like this. So you're gonna grab a bolt and a washer, and then you're gonna put this through. So we do it with one hand. That's on. All right, so you're gonna grab another bolt and a washer. Boom. So I got both of those on, and then you're gonna have a nut with the washer. So for every one of them. So yeah, I'm gonna go underneath the car and put those, the washer and the nut underneath them. So, all right, so as you guys can see, I put the nut and the washer underneath them. So I got my 10mm ratchet. I'm gonna start tightening it down, and then just grab your 10mm wrench and hold it from the top. So I just wanna tighten it to where it's just tight, but also to be able to like slide, just in case that I need it to. So yeah, so I'll tighten them and I'll show you guys. All right, guys, so I tightened it down enough to where I can still slide it, as you guys can see. So that way, when I go to install the side skirt, I can be able to line it up with the holes. So that way I can slide it to make sure it lines up. So pretty much you just do the same thing for all of them. So once I do that, then I'm gonna show you guys when I mount the side skirt. All right, so let me grab the side skirt. Now we're gonna test fit it. Like I said, I told you guys I left these loose, so just in case if I have to like move it side to side, which I am. So when I go to put these bolts in, so let me sit. Okay. See. I'm gonna mount it up. Get as flush as I can. Most like that. Hold this one a little bit. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys too. You see how the way that this sits? You're gonna have to bend this out so it's straight to the ground, not bending in a little bit. So you want to get your adjustable wrench and bend it. So let me go do that and make sure that all of these are straight. Yeah, real quick. Should be good enough. So you just take it and just bend it. Let's get it to sit a little bit more straight. Yeah, I can see that's getting straight. Make sure that all these are straight. This one's not too bad. Get a little bit. This one's not too bad either. But nothing too crazy. So that way, I can line up the bolt in it. So let's put it back on. Better. So I got this one to line. I'm gonna put the just screw it in so it can just hold it in place. Oh shit. Alright, leave it loose. I'm gonna tighten it yet. Just wanna make sure that all these are going into the hole. So, our word. This light is blinding. So this one lines up. So just screw this one in. Leave it loose for now. I gotta find my last bolt somewhere. Damn, where did my last bolt go? No, that's not it. Oh, there it is. I don't know how I left it here, but all right, smelt the last one. I think I might have to bend this bracket out a little bit more so that way I can have it sitting more straight. Okay, so that's pretty much on. So now this piece that I just put in, it slides up and down, so you want to adjust it to how you want it. So I want it to sit flush, so I'm gonna put it as high as I can, like this. That way it's nice and flush. I'm gonna take this back off again, and I'm gonna tighten down those clamps. I mean the bracket. All right, so I tightened up all the brackets. Now I'm about to just put this back in again. Everything should all be lined up. That's my GoPro dead again. But anyways, this is the finished install of the side skirt. Get the light so you can see better. Yeah, it's pretty neat. It's nice. So the last step is installing the PCI sticker. All right, so before I install the sticker, and the garage is pretty cold, so this is cold as hell. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just heat it up with the heat gun a little bit so I can get it nice and warm. I'm gonna heat up the sticker a little bit so that way I can get it to stick. Because putting stickers in the cold, that shit's not gonna wanna stick. So I'm gonna just heat this up. Heating it up around this area because this is where I'm gonna put it. So. Fine. Getting pretty warm and good. Should be good enough. Yeah, nice, nice. All right, so heat this up a little bit too. Good. All right, time to slap it on. All right, so I got the sticker on. Looks so nice, way better. Brings out the side skirt more too. But yeah, that's not bad. Everything came out nice and flush. All right, y'all, finished the install. Oh my God, this thing looks so nice, especially if you were to see it in person. But I'm about to show you guys right now the finished install. That thing looks sick. Here's the backside view. Damn, man, that's clean. Very clean. Fire. I'll show you guys the other side too. Not too bad. See if I can get like a little side view. Hard to saw because of the lighting, but try to get as best as I can. But yeah, that's not bad. This thing came out pretty nice. Hell yeah. Well, let me know if you guys like it, because this thing came out pretty sick. So I can get a view right here. It's hard to get a good view on the side skirts because it's in a garage, but once I take it out, you guys will definitely see it. But anyways, let me know if you guys like it, because I think it looks pretty good. But that'll be it for today's video. You know, so hope you guys like it. Hope you guys, helps you guys install it if you guys want to do a PCI side skirt install. So, but hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Let's get it.